Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. Thank you so much for being here. Today, we have another video and it is not a haul. It's like an unboxing, sort of. It's kind of a haul. So today's video is actually a Stitch Fix unboxing. So it was recently my birthday and my soon-to-be mother-in-law kind of surprised me. It was super kind to give me a gift card to Stitch Fix because she had seen, ads and things for it and she thought it would be something I was into, which was super thoughtful and kind. So I went ahead and filled out the little style quiz online and got the box sent to me. So how it works is that you go online, basically it just has a bunch of questions like what you're kind of looking for, if it's more for work, if it's more for casual wear, what you're trying to add to your wardrobe, what you already have, and they try and nail down your style and curate a box that you would actually, want to buy the pieces from. And I think it sends you 5 pieces. I've kind of taken a peek in the box, but not fully. I haven't looked at really any of the clothing that's in the box. So super excited. It's been sitting in my room for about 2 days because I just haven't gotten around to it. That is what today's video is going to be. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm kind of hoping this can be a new series where I just get a box every month. And I really am curious to see if the stylist is like a real person and someone who's able to kind of like see what you do like and see what you don't like. Because I know that's a big thing with Stitch Fix is they want you to give a lot of feedback so that they know whether or not to send you similar items or, switch it up if it's not stuff that you are liking. So I am interested to keep doing this decently and see if, the stylist can learn my kind of style and send me some cool pieces. Because if that is true, that could be a really cool way to add in things that I like maybe wouldn't pick for myself. So fingers crossed. They do take your sizes and your measurements and everything like that. So hopefully it is, not too much of a hassle with trying on. As long as you know your measurements and your true sizes, I think, fingers crossed, that this is going to work out. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So I'm covering my address, but this is the box. It has this their little logo, Stitch Fix tape. Really, really cute. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I've seen some boxes that do have like shoes in them. So I was like, ooh, this is shoes, but mine does not have shoes in it, which is fine. I think some months you will get shoes, some months you won't, so whatever. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, the $20 that you spend for the styling fee does get applied to whatever you purchase. If you do purchase, if you don't purchase, it looks like it just like goes away. Like that's like the fee for getting, receiving, shipping, doing all that. So if you're planning to add to your wardrobe, it makes sense. If you're not and you're just like wanting to see, it makes less sense. Oh, the inside of the box is pretty cute. So it looks like this. This reminds me of the Luke and Gray box. Like I love when brands take the time to really go above and beyond, even with these little extra bits that other brands might not see as an important like aspect of their branding and marketing. But I think this is like such an important part. So this is what it says on the inside little flap of the box. It says what to do next: discover and decide, try on all 5 items that your personal stylist selected for you, pair them with your favorites from your closet, and use the enclosed style card for outfit inspiration. Decide what you love and what you want to send back. Share your thoughts, rate your items, confirm payment, blah, 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 for the things that you're keeping. Your feedback will make future shipments even better. So that's the part that I'm interested in a series. Will it actually do that, or are they just gonna keep sending like things that I don't like? And send it back. If you're returning any items, simply place them in an enclosed prepaid shipping bag and drop it at any USPS mailbox or collection site within 3 business days. Of receiving? Do you have to send it back within 3 days of receiving? Because I really hope not. Well, I think I might have gotten charged for this entire box. Well, let's see what works, let's see what doesn't, and hopefully I don't get charged for everything in here, because I know for sure, just from like the little card I saw, that not everything looks like it's gonna work for me. Okay, let's see, because this is more of like a luxury box too, like not everything in here is like cheap. Let's look at this style card. I'm like so scared now. So this is the like style card. Oh, hello. There's some Kate Spade earrings in here. Don't look like my style, but we'll see. Some cargo shorts, a tulip sleeve blouse, a knit dress, and then a dotted wrap blouse. That one looks kind of interesting, and it has like some info about like how you can style the pieces. We'll see. I can imagine this being really helpful for someone that has a hard time putting outfits together and like really curating their closet. So maybe I'm not their target audience, but we'll see. So this is the first item. It's these earrings, the Kate Spade ones. So it looks like they are $78 US. These little hearts, Kate Spade hearts. I don't know, if I'm wearing earrings, like I'm a kind of big hoop kind of girl. I'm not really into like small dainty jewelry. I'm really into like a statement hoop. They're cute. I'm not gonna put them in my ears because I'm not gonna keep these guys. Yeah, I think if I was gonna spend that kind of money on earrings, I would want it to be like a big bold statement earring, and I feel like something little like that isn't really worth the value for me. And in a box, it does tell you where you can select if you want luxury items or not, and if those are the caliber of luxury items, I might say no in the future, like wait a few boxes, and if that's like what they always send you is kind of like middle of the line things, I would say no. So this is the one that I was like the most interested in just by looking at the card. So this is by City Chic. I think I've heard of that. I've definitely heard of that brand. The tag says the size large, but then, you know, the actual clothing tag says size 20, so large/20 apparently. This one doesn't have the actual price that it is at the retailer, but it is this black and orange spotted wrap blouse. The V in the front looks plunging, but we will see how it looks on. Has an elastic waistband here at the bottom, long sleeves that have a button. I'll try that on for you in a minute. This, yeah, I just already know that this is not my style. So this dress is by Wisp Women. It's also a 20W. It is a navy knit dress. Oh, guys, weird like crisscrossing neck detail, and then it is literally just like an A-line dress. This to me is like, I put my age group. This to me is like my mother, and my mother's a little bit more stylish than this. So we'll see it on. Can't judge it too harshly to begin with, but it just seems like such a basic piece, like, and a basic piece that I wouldn't usually wear. This next one is from Paper Moon. It's a 2X, Paper Moon clothing. This, guys, this is the kind of thing as a plus size person that I just really don't want to wear it. I think this is what people want us to wear, like, you know, just like a billowy top to hide your tummy and like in dark colors so you can't see it. It has this weird little flutter sleeve. It's kind of semi-sheers. It's like crepey material. There's not any structure or like interest to this. I'll try it on, but I know that I do not like this. Even if it looks fine on, this is the style that I like repel as a plus size woman personally. And then the last thing in here, I'm not gonna judge these until I have them on because like I sometimes need just like a real casual short. These are by Market and Spruce, 20W olive or Orion cargo shorts. They have Lycra, so the move with you kind of stretch in them. They look like this. This is like a more outdoorsy short. Like I definitely wouldn't wear this to work or anything like that, but maybe during the summer or like camping or something. I don't really camp, but if I did, maybe. And then there's something else in here. Oh, this is the card saying everything. So yeah, the Kate Spade earrings are $78. That City Chic wrap blouse is $75. The Paper Moon floral blouse is $38, and the knit dress is $68. The cargo shorts are $58. So if I bought this whole entire box, which I definitely won't be doing, it would be, the total was $317, but then you get 25% discount if you buy everything in the box. So, and then I would get the $20 from, you know, getting the box, and then I have $30 credit because it was a $50 gift card. It would be $187.75 for all of those things, but as I said, some things will be going back. Let's get into the portion of this video where I try them all on for you actually, so be luck. Okay, so this is the blouse. It's not too bad. It is a little gapey in the front here. The elastic of the waist is very comfortable, but I don't know, this is the kind of blouse that it's like, it would be good for a work blouse. You would have to put like another like snap here or use some fabric tape because this would end up like gaping to your bra. But it does have a lot of room in the chest, I guess, if you had a larger bust size. It is very, very long, if you can see. And then the arms are a little bit long too. I feel like they're a little much. I don't know, like it's fine. It's like a decently cute top, but it's not anything to write home about. This is a $75 top. It doesn't feel like it's worth $75, if that is an indicator. Also, I will say that I don't think there's any cohesion with the box. Like I don't think any of this can really be worn together. Maybe the other like floral blouse and then these shorts, but I just threw these shorts on obviously because they're the only bottom, and they're just not, I would never wear these. I'm gonna pan down. So these are the shorts. They're a little short for what I would wear. They fit, but not well. They're kind of stiff even though they have the Lycra. It's just, I think because all these pockets and like things going on, there's just a lot going on. They also don't hit at a particularly good spot. It's not like my smallest point up here is hitting really at a wide spot, if anything. And then in the back, these are just real short. Like I would like at least another like 2 inches to feel comfortable. If this is more your style, like a shorter short, they'd probably be good, but I just, not worth the $58 price tag. And they're just not very cute. Like, I mean, if, again, as I said, if you're going like outdoors or like hiking or something maybe, but this is not my vibe. I feel like a toddler. It's just this little floral blouse. It's weird because it's like tight around the hip. Like you can't really pull it down. It have to kind of be up and then down in the front, which yes, it does hide my tummy and whatever, but these sleeves are like the most unflattering. They're a tulip sleeve, but then like their shortest part is like underneath, so you have the one part that you actually don't like showing out. And this neckline is giving me very little kiddish vibes. The whole thing just screams like Forever 21, but like a while ago, like at least 6 years ago, but this is $38. What material is this? This is 100% polyester. This is a no for me. This outfit is giving me war flashbacks to a time where I felt like I had to try and cover myself. I was like very limited in my options of where I can shop and what those clothes would look like. This is all the things that are bad with plus size shopping. You do not have to dress like this when you are plus size just to appease other people and to feel like you're covering yourself up enough. Just to throw that out there. One more item, it's that dress. I'm not excited. I think at this point I'm kind of jaded, so let's hop into it. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, he killed her in the dining room with a candelabra. I could see where this dress would be needed. So if you are plus size and you have a corporate job, you need a just everyday dress that you can throw on with your blazers, you have your cute little pumps. I see this. But I just, little crisscross detail. This does feel nice. The fabric, it's very slinky. What is this? It's 100% polyester. This one was only like $68, which not as terrible as some of the others. I don't know, it's not doing much for me, but it's not doing terrible things. I do like how wide it is kind of up here. I think it's pretty flattering in that regard. The back is just completely covered. It would be a good modest work dress. Throw it in your rotation. Do I think you could find something way cuter? Yes, but if you're like plain Jane dress, this would work. You know, good knee length, has some good darts here so you get some good tailoring, skims over the belly line. Honestly, this is one out of the bunch. I think this is the least offensive. To me, this isn't a styling box. Like, none of these items could really be styled together. Like, it's a dress, so you just throw it on, which is great. I don't think any of these people are the same. Like, this girl's going to the office, this girl's going hiking, this girl's going to brunch, this girl's in middle school, and then this girl's heart earrings. I don't know. You guys let me know what you thought about like this box down below. Was this confusing to you? Because it was a little confusing to me. I am excited actually to keep doing this because, as I said, at least now this is a jumping off point. Perhaps they'll understand that this did not pass the vibe check, and then we could go from there. Question mark? All right, guys, so that is the end of the video. It's a quick video because really only 5 items. One of those, since they were jewelry, did not take very long at all. So I really want to hear your thoughts down in the comments. What did you think of the box? Would you keep anything from it? When I first saw it, I was thinking I would keep that polka dot blouse, but after seeing that it was $78, like I just can't justify that at all. Like, it's cute, but it's not that cute. Yeah, I think this idea, and I'm so happy that my soon-to-be mother-in-law got this for me, because this is like such a cool idea, but I was worried about the execution because I'm like, ooh, like a stylist, like I feel like they really have to meet you and like chat to you, see your vibe, see what you come to the like styling consultation wearing so that they can understand what you're into. So could definitely be a hit or miss situation, and I think they missed a little bit. Maybe I wasn't thorough enough filling out the, you know, style questionnaire. Next time around, so when I send these things back, I'm going to make sure to very thoroughly fill out that questionnaire about, you know, how everything worked, what I did and didn't like about them. And then maybe next time, you know, they'll take that feedback and be able to give me a box that I really enjoy. Because yeah, I think the only thing I could say I liked was the polka dot blouse, and then because of the price and just like the overall meh of the rest of the box, I think it's just like, no way, it's not worth it. So technically, yes, I am going to send everything back. So my $20 styling fee is going to be wasted, but also I wouldn't want to buy something and waste the money that way either, because then I still have to put up more money. And that's really how they get you, because even if you don't like anything, all they're paying for is postage, and then you're getting the items right back. So it's a clever business model. One of those things that you're like, I wish I would have thought of this. But I'm excited to go on this little styling journey. So once a month, look out for a video like this. I'm gonna try and keep the titles all the same so they're easy to find. I'll start a playlist so that you guys can see with me whether my stylist gets better and it kind of understands what I like, or if it stays like this or gets worse. I don't know if it could get worse. This was a little bad. Like, I just think that there were 4 different girls, none of which were me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. I do all the nice things. I want to have a conversation, because like maybe I'm crazy. Maybe it's like, oh, guys, it's so hot today. So maybe it's just real hot and I came into this with not the greatest mindset, or maybe I'm not crazy and this was a little bit of a hot mess. So let's chat. I would like to know. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.